looking at the score, I think that, and watching my video, I think that the one thing that I struggle with, I think this is just me conducting with the recording, is hearing all the phrasing that the musicians are doing. So like in 40, like with the flute, and then in like 68, 69, 70, and 71, 72, 73. And once I get into 74, I think I feel a little more comfortable with it. I just, yeah, and I think that I just really need to listen to it more and practice it more so that I can get it memorized better, because I feel like I know what I'm doing and I know what the piece sounds like, but it's really hard for me not to like bury my face in the music. So I think that just hearing it more and practicing it more will help. So I think it's just a repetition thing for that, because I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on like what the patterns should look like and feel like, and just what the piece feels like and what I should be giving to everybody. So I think that just the little nuances that are in the recording kind of confuse me, and also going into the 3/8 to the 2/8 is confusing. So like I don't know if I would give like because I know in the 3rd and 4th measure I'm supposed to give every beat, so I'm supposed to go 1 2 3 1 2, but then in measure 19 and 20 it's the same passage, and I'm not exactly sure how I'm supposed to do that, because whenever I do it like a 5/8 measure, it takes too long. So I wonder if I could go like 1 2 3, like 1 2 3 4 5, so it would be like a 2/4 bar but in 5/8, I guess. Is that, I don't know if that's the right way to do that, but yeah. And then I feel like I could be more clear, because like on the 6/8, I feel like sometimes I remember to do whenever I have 2 3/8 bars in a row, I feel like sometimes I remember to do the 6/8 pattern with those, and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just give like a bunch of ones, and I think that's confusing. And then I noticed that I was turning my hand a lot on the 4/4 when I was trying to, like with the flute solo, I was like trying to give like the expression with my hand, I guess, which is wrong. And then the subdividing, whenever we like cut off, I don't exactly know, like, am I supposed to give a 3/4 bar, or like a 3/8 bar, or a 4/4 bar, or what exactly is going on there? So because there's a fermata in the bass line, so I'm just confused. And then I think that 12/8 bar is also just something that I'm like waiting for the flute to come, and it's confusing for me. And then again, the other subdivided thing, like it's not like a full stop because there's not a breath mark or anything, but in the recording it stops. So I'm just not sure how I'm supposed to handle that in 53, 54. And I feel that's probably, I feel like really uncomfortable in measures 19, 20, 43, 53, and then 68, 69, and then the other like subdivided sections over the last measure, because the last measure I feel okay, because I feel like I can get just a big one and then a cutoff, because when I tried to do the really fast 1 2 3, it really confused me, and I feel like I never gave beat 1 on the right beat. So yeah. And on some of the last reps that I did, I really paid attention to the low voices on 68, 69, 70, and I think that helped me a little bit. I'm just trying to figure that out. Okay, I guess I'll do it again.